summertime, this is necessary. So I have been welding for the past 2 hours. It is 32 degrees outside right now. It's not bad in here, it's only 27 degrees in my shop. But it will be brutal in the middle of the summer. So I went out and I got to meet my biggest fan. Oh, Rachel, so funny. So let's see how this goes. And you know, I was in a bit of a space right now of wanting to not get as many Milwaukee things. I have a pile of 4 grinders, a driver, and a drill that all need service. The chuck's gone on my drills. The paddles, the switches are gone on my grinders, or they just stopped working. So Milwaukee and I aren't on the greatest of terms, but this right now was on sale for $100 off at BC Fasteners yesterday. And when I saw it and I knew how hot it was going to be today, I snagged one. I always love getting these big boxes because they're great for shipping off all of the strongman equipment that I build around here. Oh, I mean, still, just because I'm mad that my tools are breaking, doesn't make me any less excited to get stuff like this around here. Ha! Okay. Oh, interesting. Huh. I didn't even know that this had a plug in here, so if you don't have a battery, you can still use a plug in here. That is fantastic. Let's see if she blows. Get yourself a battery. Oh, this is going to be just dreamy for the summertime welding in here. I think I'm actually going to get to the top. I don't know if you can hear me talking when I have this fan blowing in my face, but this is going to be so awesome for our shop. I might get another one for the other bay here, so when all of us are working, we can have these blowing it at us, or we can have them facing the other way, like a good buddy of mine had posted on his Instagram the other day, turning the fan the other way, putting it really close to your material, and it'll actually draw away the fumes from you, rather than blowing the air towards you, which would blow away your gas if you're doing any kind of MIG welding or TIG welding. But I'm excited for this. Brand new fan in my shop. Another tool day for country custom fabricating. Now let's get back to work.